Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to continue the lesson Tux Paint. Fun with Tux Paint. So, what did we learn in the last class? How to open Tux Paint and what are the parts of the Tux Paint window and how to use ready-made drawing. Yes. Now we are going to learn how to draw using paint tool and other options in Tux Paint. Okay. First, see in the left side what do we have? Toolbox. In that I have selected paint and in the selector I have selected triangle shaped. Yes, can you see how I am drawing line here? To draw, after you select the brush pattern in the selector, click on the canvas and then drag the mouse to the place where you wanted or how you wanted to draw and then release the button. Your line will end. Okay, children. Now, this is the haze brush. I hope you can see the difference, but it is not very clear. The haze brush will give you a hazy effect. Hazy effect in the sense blur effect, like that. Okay, it will give you a hazy effect to draw. It is mainly used to draw colors in your drawing. Now the next one is how to draw lines using in Tux Paint. To draw lines, you have to first select lines in the toolbox and then select the pattern of line thickness you want from the selector and then click and drag the mouse keeping the left mouse button pressed. Okay, release the button where you wanted to end the line. Okay, children, this is how you will draw lines in the Tux Paint window. Okay, I mean in your canvas area. Now let us see how to give special effects to your drawing. To give special effects, there is a tool called Magic Tool. Okay, so if you click on the Magic Tool, your pointer, you will have the pointer, that will change into a wand. Wand is nothing but all the angels will have a stick, that is wand. Okay, so and then you can choose different styles from the selector. First style, this is the bricks effect. Okay, there are two types of bricks here, one is small and one more is large. So select the bricks effect in the selector and then click on the canvas and then drag the mouse keeping the left mouse button pressed. Okay, and release the button when it is done. It will give you a sound. Okay, in Tux Paint there will be sounds. It will be interesting to draw. Okay, try using it. And then now see here I am doing different effects. You can use these effects in your drawing. Try using different effects in your drawing. And then now I am going to give the grass effect. Grass effect is also present in the Magic Tool. To give grass effect, you have to select on Magic Tool and then grass effect and the same procedure. Okay, and you can also insert flowers in your drawing. To insert flowers, that you have flower effect. Okay, for that same tool, Magic Tool, and then select flower effect in the selector and then click on the canvas to add flowers to your drawing. Okay, you should click on the canvas to add flowers. You can change the flower colors also. Okay, children, now the next tool is fill tool. You love coloring, isn't it? Without color the drawing is not complete. So we use the fill tool to color our drawing. Okay, the fill tool will color the drawing only if your drawing is closed. Okay, for example, see, this box is closed. So if I click inside the box, that color will get applied to that box only. Okay, can you see these clouds? If I click outside the clouds and all, the whole picture's color will change. Okay, this is how you use fill effect. And then in Tux Paint you also have a special effect called as stamp tool. You can insert stamps, that is ready-made drawings. You can save your drawings in the stamp also. You can insert those in your drawing. Click on the stamp tool and then in the selector you select which stamp you wanted, and then click on the canvas. Your stamp gets added. Okay, at the bottom you will have that volume like thing. It is a slope bar. In that you can choose the size of your stamp. Now we have finished our drawing. To save the drawing, there is a save tool on the toolbox. Okay, if you click on it, your drawing gets saved. How to close Tux Paint? To close Tux Paint, you have the quit tool in the toolbox. If you click on the quit tool, and options will appear. Do you really want to quit? It will ask you. So if you say yes, it gets quitted. If you didn't save your drawing, it will ask you whether you wanted to save your drawing or you wanted to lose it. Okay, and now if you click on the quit tool, your Tux Paint gets closed. Okay children, now to open the saved drawing, what you have to do, open the Tux Paint and then in the toolbox select open. Your saved drawings will appear there. Click on the drawing you want to open and then click on open. Okay, you are clear with the different effects? Yes, the Tux Paint is also available for mobile phones. You can use it in your phones also. Try using Tux Paint and try different tools, draw, color and have fun. Thank you.